and it's really cold. It's -10 now. No one cares about these metals and no one gonna steal it. And you have to be a really lucky guy to open your shop and see this view every single day. So good morning guys, it's like 7 o'clock at morning in Seoul, South Korea. So here we came to go in a far place. It's like 3 hours far away from the place, the Seoul city. So let's begin this journey and see what we can find. As the owner, he told me this is his car, so we're going with this one, Audi. He told me he have 2 warehouses in that place, so we'll see what exactly we can find, and hope so it will be a good video. And for reason I'm going, he's taking me because we're gonna take a good commercial video for his new shops. So we have a drone, we have some cameras, so that's why he's taking me, and of course I'm gonna vlog and show you what we can find on those places. And let's go. We're gonna stop somewhere also. There's a beautiful places, so we're gonna show you that as well. So wait for it. Stop and eat something or drink something, so it's a rest place for the cars to stop here. And it's really cold, it's -10 now, so we have at least like maybe 50 kilometers more to reach to our destination. So let's show you this place and see how it looks. So we came here to the store. Let's see what we can find. And this is all the drinks they have. So they have a lot of drinks here.
이게 지금 말린데 한번 봐봐요.
So this is the coffee. Let's go back to the car. 11 now, but the weather is very beautiful. The roads are beautiful, mountain, and this is our car.
Upper destination. Navigation.
Village, so I can tell you we are in a small village. You can see the small houses and like that. It's very empty, very quiet, very peaceful. And this is the place. So after 3 hour driving, so at the last we reached to our destination. It's very far away from the city, so exactly we are so almost we are on the middle of the South Korea. first thing I'm gonna record a commercial video for the owner for this shop, and a special thanks for him to bring me here, and let's see what exactly we can find here, and hope so the video will be very good. So we're starting the video. I have to connect the drone to the iPad, and after that we're gonna shoot some videos from here. And the owner told me there's like 2 other places as well, so we should visit that as well also, and let's see how it goes. And I talked with the owner, as he told me this is his childhood place when he grew up, and this is that's why he decided to open a warehouse in here. As you can see, there's a lot of bumpers, and this place is not finished only with the bumpers. They have a lot of body part as well, and a lot of headlight, and this is the one of his warehouses. So we're gonna go in other warehouse also. We'll show that as well. And his main shop is in Seoul, and this is a little bit far away from that place. And let's see what we can. So we're gonna find like 2-3 good pumper to get him in the shot, have a good video also, and let's see what we can find. We need something from the Mercedes, we need something from the BM, and of course we need something from the Lexus. We'll see what if we can find a great example to show the people what items this shop have. It will be a really good video for this shop, the commercial video. Of course I'm gonna post it in my YouTube channel also. So still the store is not completed up, still there's more part they have to bring and redesign and put everything back together. There's a lot of, still the place is not fully complete. There's more spare parts to come here. As you can see, still there's a lot of empty place in here. I came up to show this beautiful view. As you can see, it's really good, really peaceful. When you come here, you don't have any tension, without any noises. We're gonna not talk and hear the sound of nature. And you have to be a really lucky guy to open your shop and see this view every single day. It's very beautiful, natural, and very quiet, very peaceful. They store some items not inside, they store some items outside. This is village, so no one cares about these metals and no one gonna steal it. But I find something good on it. I found a BM, it's like a BM i8, but this is i3. And I find the G-Wagon, the Mercedes, the back door. I'm not sure it's called the door or the trunk. This is for the Mercedes G-Class as well, and a lot of stuff. And for those people who are new, please make sure to check my other videos. I visit like 2-3 shops in Dubai as well. There's a lot of spare parts, but I'm gonna end the video from here. There will be other places as well, so stay tuned for the next video. And hope so you guys enjoy the video like me. This journey is very good for me. I'm gonna write down below all his information, his shops, his phone number, the website, what exactly you guys are needed. And for those people who are new, please make sure to subscribe to AzooL, and of course like this video, and of course please make sure to share this video for those people who are interested on this kind of stuff. So see you for the next video. Peace.